How to fix Call of Duty Mobile error code 5027. Here are some tips that would help fix Call of Duty Mobile error code 5027. 1. Check if you're using any VPN connection. If yes, disconnect your computer or device from the VPN server you're using. 2. If not, quit your COD app, then try clearing cache and clear data in the Call of Duty Mobile app. 3. Try removing existing COD app and download the latest version from Google Play Store later.